Hi, I'm Ian. I'm a member of Hema's Alpha Mapping program, and in this video I'm going to explain how to input coordinates. In this example I'm going to use coordinates for a campsite featured in the Camps Australia-wide publication, Camps 13. The location is Kennedy River Rest Area in Queensland. Firstly, we select the Hema Nav software on your device. A tap of the screen will then bring up our various menus, and we select the search function. We can now input the coordinates, taking into account any spaces required. Your device will now prompt you to that location, so press on that prompt. And you can simply travel to that location by pressing Navigate to, which will form a voice-guided route. Press Start.
Turn left.
And you're on your way. If at any stage you want to cancel that route, just tap the screen once, and at the bottom you'll see End Route. Press that once, and you're now no longer travelling that route. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful for you. For more information, check out the Hema University webinars on hemamaps.com.